Good morning, friends, and welcome to today's video. It's super rainy and gloomy outside, so I got on my GTR beanie and my Cobra Kai sweater to keep me warm, and we're gonna head over to Clarity Auto Works today because we're gonna be installing the front mount intercooler and the injectors, and I might even sneak in installing the fuel pumps. Let's head on over there and get this day started.
When they said a GTR was a practical car, they weren't lying. I've got the front mount intercooler in the front seat right here, and now we're on our way. Let's go. I'm taking it pretty easy on the engine right now because it is cold outside. Look at these temperatures. We need to get those temperatures up like 100 more degrees, at least for the trans oil temp.
Oh yeah, let's just fucking permafry.
That'd be pretty good.
Hey, none of us have consented yet, so no filming yet. I'm behind the scenes man.
Okay, fine. I'll just get your shoes.
No.
Just your shoes. Nobody knows who you are.
Okay, the shoes. Shoes is good.
Yep, you're the shoe guy.
Sunglasses.
Nobody knows who you are. Yo, that wing looks awesome. Damn. We're about to be full bolt on running E85.
That's so funny, GTR, you okay?
You like that?
That's getting better than that one.
Yeah, you too. Dude, I freaking love the taillight mod. Jared, you killed it directing him in there.
Thanks.
Alright, here we have the old intercoolers out of the car. They're much smaller, and here we have, I know it's a little bit hard to see and you can't really see the comparison with this air duct already in place, but this replacement alpha intercooler is huge. I mean, I don't want to say it's huge, it's basically almost the same size as that one, but it is bigger to where we're going to get much cooler air and much better airflow.
Alright, friends, so we're at the point now in our project where we have the intercooler completely installed and we are ready to put the front bumper back on. However, we're not going to do that just yet. We're going to transition over to working on the injectors and getting those installed. So the first thing we need to do on that project is remove the intake manifold up here. So once we get this off, it will reveal the injectors underneath and we'll be able to replace them, and the project really shouldn't take all that long. So once that's done, all we'll have left to do is replace the fuel pumps inside the car, and then at that point the car will be basically full bolt on and I'll be ready to drive it tomorrow to go get my tune. Alright guys, so the way that we're doing this is we've taken off the throttle bodies on both sides, we've taken off all the vacuum hoses, and now we've unbolted everything and we're getting ready to take off this upper intake manifold. But first, we got to get something to cover the open ports. Alright guys, it's coming off. Here we go. Oh, in all of its glory. Look at that. Let's see how it looks. Nice. So we got the fuel rail up and we got the injectors out. What we're going to do next is we're going to take the injectors out. We're anticipating some gas to leak out, so that's why we got the towel here. We're going to collect all the gas into the towel, and then we're going to take the new injectors, put them in, and the best part about this kit is that they come with plug and play connectors. So these are going to go into the injector side, and this is going to go into the wiring harness. So it makes the whole kit super easy. Yeah, that one had a lot more. That one had a little bit more juice left in it. But that right there is the stock injector for a GTR. And just like that, injectors installed, intake manifold back in place, throttle bodies installed, and we are ready to put the front bumper back on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, proof that Jared actually does work.
Told you.
Boom, glorious moment.
Well, almost. Still a few more things to put on.
We're close though, we're close. Yo, that looks sick. I love how that Alpha logo just pops.
All right, so here we are back in the GTR. We got the tune on the access port. We're gonna get it uploaded and drive the car back home.
So we are looking for, here it is, 2017 Jeff E85 base map.
All right, ECU change map successful. Please turn the ignition key to the off position to complete.
All right, car is off.
And the next step is to start this bad boy up.
Let's see if it goes. Not really sounding all that good. Maybe it's good enough to get me home.
I just want to make sure, you know, because we did fuel work, the injectors were put in properly. I don't smell any oil, or not oil, I don't smell any gas, I don't see anything. Whew, well, the car's running kind of like crap right now, but I'm gonna try to drive home. So, I'm gonna bring you guys along so we can go on this journey together. So far, so good. All right, well, we're going. Definitely not going to be stepping on it, so don't even expect that at all. All right, we're cruising. Car is not blowing up. It's not making any weird noises. The good news is, while I'm driving, the engine feels amazing. I'm just thinking there's something going on at idle that'll probably get fixed with the tune tomorrow. All right, we made it. We made it home, guys. Now I'm just backing the car in. Boom.
We did it. Guys, get yourself a super supportive wife who flips you off when she can. There it is. Where are the cats at?
Winter, Snickers. Come on.
You guys know how crazy my cats can be. Now they're out roaming the streets at night, eating rats.
All right, friends, well, we made it home safe and sound. The car is actually running pretty decent when we're cruising. So tomorrow, and in the next video, we're gonna be installing the AEM fuel pumps. So that way we can drive down tomorrow around 3 o'clock. We're going to drive about 2 hours all the way down to San Jose to get the car tuned. And at that point, I'll be able to run full E85. I'll be all good. So with all of that being said, I'm going to wrap up today's video. So thank you everybody for coming by my channel today. Thank you for checking out this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. I'm out.